Welcome to NYC Pet Tales. I'm your host, Gemma Smith. When I first moved to New York City a few years ago, I got a survival job at a veterinary clinic. My work there inspired me to create NYC Pet Tales to bridge the gap between my acting career and my love for animals. Today, I am so excited to share my pet tale with you. First, I'll introduce you to my two cats, Liono and Luna, and then we'll check in with Dr. Dan at Murray Hill Pet Hospital for some tips and tricks for giving a cat a pill. So welcome to my apartment here in Astoria, Queens. I have two cats, Liono and Luna. Liono is a 2-year-old orange tabby, and Luna is a 9-month-old black kitten. I brought Liono home when he was about 2 months old through Mayor's Alliance for New York City Animals, a rescue group here in the city that I highly recommend. Liono was extremely cute, but also very playful, energetic, and curious, and little did I know just how crazy he would become. Some of Liono's favorite activities include jumping on your back, climbing up windows, and opening cabinets. Anywhere where he can get into trouble, that's where he'll be. And I noticed just how energetic he was and knew that another cat would really be beneficial to him. So several months ago, I adopted Luna. I noticed some little black kittens behind our apartment, and I put food out one evening. And Luna over here was the smallest one and the hungriest one, and she was the only one who would eat from my hand. So I was actually able to trap her, and I brought her into the vet. Dr. Dan gave her a clean bill of health, and we adopted her. So Luna has brought a lot of joy into our lives. She's super sweet. She's also really playful, which helps Liono because they entertain each other and they play a lot because they're close in age and have similar energy levels. The only problem right now is that Luna has worms, and because they share a litter box, Liono has worms too. So the doctor gave this dewormer medication that will easily get rid of the worms, but I'm really struggling getting the medication into their mouths. Like sometimes I can get it in, but they don't swallow it and they spit it out, or they struggle, and I'm scared of getting scratched. So let's check in with Dr. Dan to get some tips and tricks for giving your pet a pill.
Well, hello, my name is Dr. Dan Loridia with Murray Hill Pet Hospital in New York City, and I'm here with Audrey, and we're going to show our clients how to get medication into a cat, which is very difficult most of the time, and I'll show you a few ways that we can go about doing that. First way, and easiest way, is if we can put the pill in their normal food, canned food preferably. So if you have your cat's favorite can of food, we'll want to make a little meatball, and I'll show you how to do that. Hope you don't mind getting a little messy. And you can put the tablet into here. Break it into a few pieces and we'll put it into the meatball, like so. Well, she likes the food. Let's see if I can give you those. And now she's eating it. And that would be the best and easiest way to do it. No stress, no muss, a little bit of fuss. Now if your cat won't take the pill and the normal food, there's this great product out there called Pill Pockets by Greenies. These are actually for dogs and for cats. And they're made soft so you can hide the tablet in there and give your cat a treat while hiding the tablet. And so what you'll want to do, and again, if the pill is too big, you can break it up into smaller pieces and hide it in there. And we're going to see if Audrey will take this. Hey Audrey, so, a treat over here. Thirdly is manually giving the pill, and that's basically putting it directly in the mouth far enough where you know they'll swallow the tablet or pill. There are many devices on the market that you can manually put without getting your fingers bitten, and this is one we carry, and it has a soft tip on one side and a little push device on the other, trapping the tablet on the tip of the pill gun. And so what we'll do, put the tablet right in there. And one of my easier ways of holding a cat's head is to take the top of the head and grasping it gently back of the throat and see if we took it. And it looks like it worked. You have to act fast. but we did take it that way.
So after watching Dr. Dan's demonstration, I feel a lot less stressed out about the situation and a little embarrassed too, because clearly I did not know what I was doing. I feel good because I like the idea of cutting the pill up into small pieces and hiding it in the food. I think that Liono will definitely be able to get the pill in him that way. For Luna, she's super hungry. I think if I just put a pill in a pill pocket, she'll eat it whole. So I'm going to try those things. In worst case scenario, I can always get the pillar and have my husband help by holding Liono or Luna while I actually put the pill into their mouth. I still feel like I need some practice with that method, but by watching Dr. Dan's tutorial, I feel a lot more confident that these worms are going to be a problem of the past and that they are going to get a clean bill of health again.
If you have a question for the vets, let us know. Reach out to us on our Facebook and Twitter page, and you might be featured in an upcoming episode of NYC Pet Tales.